Presenting PET Plast India's 4-cavity all-electric PET blowing machine in live operation. Preforms are automatically loaded and smoothly passed into the heating oven, where advanced infrared lamps heat them uniformly. The heated preforms are transferred into the 4-cavity blowing station. With high-pressure air, 4 bottles are blown at once, ensuring perfect shape, strength, and clarity. Finally, the finished bottles are ejected onto the conveyor, ready for filling and packaging. Our 4-cavity PET blowing machine delivers high speed, consistent quality, and energy-efficient performance. Designed for water, juice, oil, and beverage industries.
For more details about our 4-cavity fully automatic PET blowing machine, or to explore our complete range of high-speed, energy-efficient solutions, feel free to contact PET Plast India.